I'm Laura from SkillBase First Aid, and I just wanted to talk to you today about what you would do if you came across an individual that had had a cardiac arrest. It's vital that we start those life-saving procedures as soon as we can. So what that would mean is getting an ambulance on the way as soon as we can, ringing 999. We're then going to see if we can get access to a Defib, and don't worry if you don't know where that Defib is. That call handler that's now on the end of the phone will advise you where to get it from. And then begin CPR for a casualty. Let's have a look at how we're going to do that. So we've just established our casualty's not breathing. We've got an ambulance on the way, so now we're going to start off with those chest compressions. What you need to do is put your hands in the centre of the chest. Make sure your arms are nice and straight, and then we're going to press down on the chest at a rate of 2 per second. And we're going to do 30. Now, once we've done 30 chest compressions, we're then going to do 2 rescue breaths. So pinch the casualty's nose, lift their chin, put your mouth around theirs and do 2 breaths. And then we're going to repeat that sequence. I'm going to keep doing this until the ambulance arrives. Now, if you've never done first aid before, just stick with your chest compressions. Just keep going until that help arrives. I hope you found that video useful. At SkillBase First Aid, we want to build your confidence and not just your competence. And remember, you can make a difference.